dynamic plan and ageless magnificence are the signs of the 2019 Audi Q7, making a striking nearness on both city lanes and dusty byways. Subtleties, for example, the amazing wheel curves underline the vehicle's standard quattro all-wheel drive framework, making a look and feel that can take you to places far and wide. The power backend with programmable opening dullness change includes a sans hands opening capacity, where the rear end discharges and raises or closes after you clear your foot under the back guard. Sumptuous common luxuries and bleeding-edge development are expertly woven into each side of the extensive, ergonomic condition of the 2019 Audi Q7. Both adaptable and instinctive, all that you require is obviously unmistakable and effortlessly open, enabling you to appreciate the advantage of the ride to the corner bistro or your most loved mountain ignore. Adaptable load space with a liberal 71.62-foot limit with the 35/30/35 and 50/50 raised seatbacks collapsed down, or space for up to 7 travelers when seatbacks are upstanding, enables you to augment space without giving up solace.